Hi, my name is Kathryn Atherton, and I'm a PhD candidate in the bioinformatics program at Boston University. This summer, I did my urban internship with Speak for the Trees Boston, a nonprofit looking for help in identifying front yards for making decisions about their tree planting programs. The urban environmental challenge that I tackled was that of deciding where to plant trees in cities. Trees provide a number of benefits to cities, including mitigating heat. The orange map on the left shows the average air temperature in Boston during the summer, with darker colors representing hotter temperatures. And the green map on the right shows the tree canopy coverage of Boston, with darker colors representing more trees. Between these two maps, you can see the inverse relationship between temperature and tree canopy coverage. The city of Boston is working to expand Boston's tree canopy coverage, and it is working with nonprofits like Speak for the Trees to do so. Speak for the Trees has programs such as their Neighborhoods Yard Tree Plantings, where they give free trees to private homes and organizations. In order to maximize the benefit of the trees they give away, Speak for the Trees wants to plant trees in the front yards of properties so that the trees can benefit both the private property and the public right-of-way by shading the street and sidewalk, like the tree in this photo. In this internship, I gained new skills in GIS, or Geographic Information Systems, which is a technology that is used to create, analyze, and map spatial data. To identify front yards, I used the city's data on parcels, or tracts of land, shown here as green rectangles, and the buildings on those parcels, shown here in gray. First, I removed area within 10 feet of the buildings, shown here in red, as that does not provide enough space for the tree to grow. Then I found the center of each building and drew a line from the center of the building to the closest point on the street, shown here in purple. I cut the green parcels through the middle of the buildings, perpendicular to the line to the street. And voila, the front yard planting areas are identified in blue. These parcels can be filtered by fields important to Speak for the Trees when deciding where to plant trees, such as the land use category of the parcel, current canopy coverage in the census block, and whether the area is designated by the city as a planting priority zone. Thanks so much to the amazing staff at Speak for the Trees, the Urban Program, and my advisor, Dr. Jennifer Bhatnagar, for their support, and to the Boston University Biology Department for funding this internship. I thoroughly enjoyed working with Speak for the Trees, not only to learn about how academia and nonprofits can collaborate, but also to learn about the importance of bridging science communication with art and emotion to advocate for tree planting and protection.